Hi, this is how to make hot chocolate. First, take the milk, pour it in the cup. Then take the chocolate, put it in the cup with the milk. Then take a spoon and mix it up. After that is complete, put it in a microwave oven. Yep. And put it on about 250. Ding! After it is done, take it out and be careful. It might burn your lips.
Okay.
So get an ice cube and